Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Y'all see this chef's hat? We are going to be sublimating an apron. This is 100% polyester, super duper cute. It is from Heat Transfer Warehouse. And we are going to be getting ready for Thanksgiving, Turkey Day. We're going to be sublimating this sublimation apron. I'm super duper excited to show you. We're going to be using our Sawgrass SG1000. Let me just show you what we're going to be doing. Let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. So let me tell you about this wonderful contest that Heat Transfer Warehouse and Sawgrass has collaborated with, and your girl is a part of it. We are navigating SawGrass Exchange. This is a new software that SawGrass Exchange has, and we're using DesignMate and PrintMate. So as you saw, I clicked on New Creation, and I'm going to select a blank document. So you can go to Custom Document. You can browse their system. I will be doing more tutorials on this, but what we're going to do is just go ahead and type in apron, okay? You could have accessed this by going to Kitchen and Dining, but I just typed in apron in the search. Once you do that, they're going to load a product template for you. How cute is that? This is an apron, and it looks like the apron we're going to be using. So how dope is that they've uploaded an image so that we can know exactly where to put our design. Now this is not the exact apron, it just looks like it. So I did measure my image. You always want to measure your substrates, but this is so dope. It has products, elements, fonts. You can upload designs, my gallery, custom canvas, etc. I am going to go ahead and pick my font. So I will be fast forwarding this part a little bit. But what you do is you can upload your own font. You can use what font is located here. And it's really, really dope. Like I said, this is DesignMate. So I was just trying to figure out what font I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I decided to use my fonts. You can change the colors. This program is so amazing. I'm going to do a whole tutorial on it by itself, but I'm just showing you what I did and how I created my design inside of DesignMate for this challenge. So as you can see, it shows you the colors, how you can change it, the sizing, everything. You can design everything inside of DesignMate, hence the name. Okay, so once I figured out all my fonts and colors, got everything positioned the way that I like, I also wanted to add a turkey. So I went inside of the elements, I searched turkey, and I got this cute little turkey here to go with my gobble gobble. Won't you wobble wobble? Now I'm going to go ahead and save and print. They want you to put a design name because guess what? You can sell inside of DesignMate. So you can sell your items as well as your designs inside of DesignMate. Did y'all hear that correctly? Like, how dope is that? It's called the Sawgrass Exchange, you guys. You can have your own little community. It's so dope. And like I said, I will talk about it later. So once you create and design your product, you want to make sure you have a name for it, a description. So if someone is searching your items and they want to purchase something for you, they can know how to find it. Hashtags, descriptions, the pricing is super dope, and you can change the pricing. But this is so dope. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and send this to the PrintMate. Now I've used the PrintMate separately, but I did not use it directly to the DesignMate. So there are two different software. So it's the DesignMate and then it's the PrintMate, and they can connect. You can also still use your Creative Studio if you have that with your Sawgrass. So Sawgrass has so many options, and like I said, I will be explaining it later. So what I did was I went ahead and connected my PrintMate because it was already downloaded, and now it's connecting it to this is my previous design that I did. So I told you it was connected already. So I am going to add my new design so that it can be printed. Okay, so now we have the new design inside of the PrintMate. Now we have to change it. So we want this to fit to the paper size. We're going to make sure that we are using the 11 by 17 tabloid paper. So what I'm doing here is I'm adjusting it because it was my first time doing it this way. I'm going to make sure I change the correct paper size. Make sure that I'm using my Sawgrass SG1000 right there. Make sure that it's online. It shows the ink and everything. It shows you the width, the height, the DPI, everything there. And we want that to be larger. The job settings, you always want to mirror sublimation. I am using the product on polyester. I want to make sure I'm using, like I said, the tabloid size, not the letter size, not 8.5 by 11. I need 11 by 17, baby. Print quality, high quality. I'm going to put text print R because I will be using my Walla paper, portrait, and everything. So now let's change this width and this height because that's too small for me. I want it to be larger. I want it to be 9 inches by 16. So 9.92 inches by 16.36 inches. This is what I want it to be. So we're going to go ahead and at the bottom, I'm not sure why it's cut off a little bit, but at the bottom, I'm just verifying everything is all set. At the bottom, it says print. So I'm going to go ahead and print this out. And we're going to get to it and see how this turns out, you guys. These colors look so good. And I cannot wait to see them printed. So let's see what this SG1000 about to do, y'all. Oh, yeah. Look at it. Print it out. It looks good. Okay, so it's all printed out. It's all set up. I'm getting my heat press ready. So this is the auto press, and because my image is 16.36 inches and this auto press really is about like 10 by 10, honestly, I did cut it up separately. You make sure you lint roll, you put your butcher paper on, everything. I did press this at 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and look how cute it turned out. Look at the colors, y'all. Gobble gobble, won't you wobble wobble? Yes, Sawgrass did that. Now this is a contest, so make sure that you follow Heat Transfer Warehouse as well as Sawgrass Inc. on Instagram and look at Heat Transfer Warehouse stories and their page because you will be able to vote. So please vote for me. Okay, y'all, I'm just in love. So yay, I am so happy with this project. Once again, shout out to Heat Transfer Warehouse and Sawgrass. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dream One is the handle. TikTok, Do Dream One is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye.